thank you sa ASAP dahil naging way siya para ma-introduce sa madaming tao yung kakayahan namin ni Katie as singers and also as performers. And thank you sa ASAP dahil parang na-discover kami ng mga viewers na kaya rin pala namin mag-perform.
Thank you, ASAP, dahil binigyan niyo ako ng chance nung akala ko wala na akong chance maging artista. Because that was during pandemic. Naging pandemic artist ako.
So, actually, nakalagay lang sa shirt ko na batch 2022. Kasi 2022 ako nagkaroon talaga ng segment, regular segment. But, I have been doing ASAP since I was a teenager. Since 2012, 2013, and even earlier pa. Nakailang opening na rin ako. So, alam bang most memorable? Ang dami. Siguro, tuwing nagpo-promote ako ng bagong single, very thankful ako for ASAP kasi they always open their doors there.
For me naman, yung first memory ko for ASAP was...
Ayun pala yung tanong, first memory pala.
Yeah.
So yun pala, ayun, exactly, first memory, siguro ng mga bata pa kami. Tapos lagi kami yung opening prod, pinapasayaw. So memorable talaga sa akin yun.
First prod ko was singing prod with new gen singers. I was with Diego Gutierrez Santos. For me, most memorable yung paglabas namin ni Alexa sa PBB, yung first prod namin together. That was really fun. And it's not about the prod, it's about yung symbolism yung ginawa namin. It's me and Alexa got a picture together, and then the next after 2 days, we're singing on the ASAP stage together. Yeah, grabe yung team up namin.
Memorable naman sa akin na when we sang, when we would sing songs na sulat natin. First time ko yun na makanta sa ASAP stage yung kantang sinulat ko, sulat namin.
Yes.
So parang, kaya
really
na
nice.
nangyari yun. It's a really great way then for our fans to... Kasi yung fans namin actually, what they love about us then is we're musically inclined. So, contest musical fair nga. So, ASAP talaga yung avenue namin to show na our musicality, to show our musicality, to show our musical tandem. So, yun yung pinaka-gusto ko.
Yeah, yung pinaka-gusto ko is, same thing with Alexa. Kasi when me and Alexa sing on stage together, tapos kaming dalawa lang. Masaya kasi parang nagja-jamming lang kami, nag-enjoy lang kami. And I take that over any dancing prod.
Okay, malay mo one day, supa dance ka din. Ako nga, pinagsupa dance eh. Yun, memorable sa akin yun. Kasi nagsulat ako, akala ko prank. Sabi ko, bakit supa dance?
Kinaya mo naman.
Oh yeah, we take on every challenge naman eh. Happy 30th anniversary, ASAP! I'm so thankful na nakailang taon na rin akong kasama ninyo. I'm very grateful to be part of the ASAP family. And I say that with so much pride. I'm very proud to be part of the ASAP family. Thank you so much for giving artists, new artists or veterans, for always giving us a platform to perform, to do what we love the most, which is perform. So maraming salamat kasi we're also able to reach our fans no matter wherever they are in this world. So thank you so much, ASAP, for including us in your ASAP family.
Thank you, ASAP, for entertaining the Kapamillas for 30 years and being super consistent with quality performances and quality collaborations. And thank you for giving us artists a platform to showcase our talents.
Lucky I'm in love with my best friend. Lucky to have been where I have been. Lucky to be coming home again. Ang aking ligaya sa tuwing para bang may iba tumitingin sa akin, umuwi mo mga mata. Wala akong lakas sa nakakalunod mong ganda. Halika na, tignan mo lang ang aking ganda. Huwag kang titingin na sa iba. Of your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections. Give your all to me, I'll give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning, even mayaman. Kung may nobyo ka na ba, sana na may wala kang sisi. Sumusaya palagi sa iyong mga matang okay ganda mo hindi dancing in a crowded room. You look so happy when I'm not with you, but then you saw me, caught you by surprise. A single tear mo ba napapansin? Tibok ng damdamin. Dilim ang natatanging kagandahan, nababalot ang hiwagang umalina sa akin kahit na ika'y hindi ko maintindihan. Totorete sa'yo